Imagine standing amidst the bustling markets of Italy, where the scent of freshly ground coffee mingles with the sweet aroma of pastries just out of the oven. This isn't just any tourist's Italy. This is a voyage into the heart, where age-old traditions and secrets await the curious traveler. Now, envision yourself savoring a slice of authentic, wood-fired pizza in a small alleyway bistro, miles away from the crowded tourist spots. This is Italy experienced as the locals do. A journey that transcends the usual and invites you into the Italian way of life.
When you step off the plane and breathe in that first gulp of Italian air, resist the urge to flock where the crowds lead. Instead, opt for the path less taken. Perhaps a train ride to the verdant landscapes of Trentino or a sleepy village in Umbria.
Places like the Dolomites offer not only breathtaking views, but also a quietude that the bustling cities can only dream of. Engaging with locals and seeking their advice not only enriches your experience, but also opens doors to hidden gems. Whether it's a secluded beach unknown to the glossy travel brochures or an ancient trail lined with wildflowers, each step unguided by a typical guidebook is a story waiting to be told. The magic of Italy unfolds in its lesser-known towns. Take, for example, Alberobello in Puglia, famed for its trulli, white dry stone huts with conical roofs. Such sites offer not just historical anecdotes, but insights into architectural ingenuity without the clutter of tour groups.
Italian cuisine is world-renowned, but to taste Italy like a local takes you beyond the pizza and pasta stereotypes. Dive into the diversity of regional cuisines which reveal themselves only to those willing to explore.
In Venice, seek out cicchetti, small tapas-like plates that offer explosive flavors, best enjoyed at a tucked-away Baccaro rather than the bustling eateries around St. Mark's S. Further south, in the heart of Tuscany, the secret lies in the simplicity of the ingredients. A local agriturismo, a farm stay where you can partake in local farming and cooking, can teach you about the oil, wine, and vegetables that form the soul of their dishes. Then there's the Italian coffee culture, an art in itself. Skip the tourist-filled cafes and find a small bar where locals stand at the bar, enjoying their espresso quick and strong. It's here, amidst the clatter of saucers and spirited Italian conversation, that coffee reveals its true character.